Hello kids. Blossom, welcome to Let's Learn with MG. Look around you, trees, grass, flowers, they're all plants. But have you ever wondered, how do they live? How do they make their food? Let's go on an amazing green adventure and find out. Herb sparkles. Plants are living things, just like us. But they don't walk or talk. Instead, they stay fixed in one place and grow beautifully. Every plant has three main parts. A roots. A stem. A leaves. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. They drink water and minerals from the ground. Stem is like a highway. It carries water and food between the roots and the leaves. Most plants have flowers that turn into fruits. Inside fruits are seeds, and from seeds, new plants grow. So, plants are life givers. They grow, breathe, eat, and even help new plants to grow. Leaves are like mini kitchens. They make food for the whole plant. Most plant preparation and storage of food in plants. Now, how do plants make their own food? The secret is called photosynthesis. Let's break it down. Plants take carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and sunlight from the sun. With the help of chlorophyll, the green pigment in leaves, they make food in the form of glucose. And guess what? During this process, they release oxygen, the gas we breathe. The formula is simple: carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight plus chlorophyll - glucose plus oxygen. Plants store extra food as starch in roots, stems, fruits, and leaves. That's why we eat carrots, potatoes, apples. They're full of plant-made food energy. Each part of the plant can be food. Isn't that amazing? You can even try some fun experiments at home. Test for starch: boil a leaf, dip it in alcohol, rinse it, then drop iodine. If it turns blue-black, ta-da! The leaf made starch. Test for sunlight: cover part of a leaf with black paper. After a day in the sun, only the open part turns blue-black. That's where photosynthesis happened. Interdependence of plants and animals. Plants and animals depend on each other like best friends. Plants give food and oxygen to animals. Animals give carbon dioxide back to plants. This cycle keeps our Earth alive and balanced. That's why it's so important to protect plants. Plants live everywhere, from icy mountains to hot deserts. To survive, they change their shape and features. That's called adaptation. In plains, the weather is just right. Trees like mango and banyan grow big and leafy. Some lose leaves in winter, called deciduous trees. Some stay green all year, called evergreen trees. Hills area. In the hills, it's cold and snowy. Trees like pine and deodar have needle-shaped leaves and cones instead of flowers. Their sloping shape helps snow slide off easily. Deserts area. In the desert, it's dry and hot. Plants like cactus store water in their stems and have spines instead of leaves. Roots go deep underground to find water. Swamps area. In marshy areas like the Sundarbans, plants have breathing roots called pneumatophores. They stick out of the muddy water to get air. Coastal plants. On the sea coast, plants like coconut trees grow tall and strong to face salty winds and rain. Aquatic plants. In water, plants like lotus float, hydrilla stays underwater, and duckweed drifts on top. Their stems are light, leaves broad, and roots small. Unusual plants. Some plants are wild hunters. Meat insectivorous plants, they eat bugs for extra nutrients. The pitcher plant traps insects in its nectar-filled cup. The Venus flytrap snaps shut when an insect touches its hair like sensors. Isn't that cool? Fungi. Fungi aren't green and can't make food. They live on dead things, like old bread or fallen trees. Mushrooms and molds are examples. They help clean nature by breaking down waste, so they're useful too. Plants are gifts of nature. They give us food and fruits, oxygen to breathe, medicines to heal, wood and paper, fibers like cotton and jute, beauty and peace everywhere. They also hold the soil, stop erosion, and make our earth green. So let's promise to plant more trees and protect them always. Thank you for joining this green journey. Remember, plants are our best friends. Let's grow more, care more, and keep learning together. This is Let's Learn with MG. See you next time.